In this video, you're going to learn how to easily make $100 per day with Digistore24. This method is perfect if you're a beginner, someone new to affiliate marketing, or someone who wants to supplement their existing side hustles. Here's what we're going to be covering today. Part 1 is about finding the perfect niche. Part 2 is picking the right offer. Part 3 is promoting this offer with internet traffic. Part 4 is sitting and watching the money come in. Let's get into the method. Alright guys, so step 1 is finding a good niche. And what you want is you want a trending niche. You don't want to pick a random niche. You want a niche that has some potential. So if I type blood sugar, you see how it's increasing. It was near 50 now, and now it's near 100 right now. This is all relative. This is very, very important. But if you type something like keto diet, it's not going to be as well. You see how it's downward. So what you want is you want a niche that's gaining ground. So what blood sugar means is that these people are interested in what blood sugar is and how it works on their diet. And you can frame it any way you want. So we're going to go with this niche. Step 2 is to go back to Digistore and find a good offer to promote. So if we go to Digistore right here in the marketplace, and you have different offers that you can promote, you want to promote an offer that's tied to the research you've done on the niches, right? So you could have done the same thing on dating, love, and relationships. You could have done the same thing on dance and music. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on fitness and health. So if we go in fitness and health, we have various offers. And what do we have? We have smart blood sugar, right? Why is this called smart blood sugar? Well, it's very simple. If you go back to Google Trends, you see that people are becoming more and more aware of how blood sugar is related to their health, right? And blood sugar has effects on diabetes, diabetes 1, diabetes 2. All of these things are affected by the amount of blood sugar that you have in your blood. So here we have blood sugar, smart blood sugar. We have a conversion rate, 24%. This is ranked number 2 in fitness and health. So this is a product that's definitely working. You can go and promote. You don't have to promote it. You can promote keto. You can promote other offers, but we're going to promote this product. We're going to hit promote. We're going to get a link. So we can copy that. We can, save it anywhere we want. We can even open it up and see what the landing page is going to look like that we're going to be sending our users to. We have the video sales letter here. We can play it. And we can click on this and we can actually go ahead and buy the product, right? The product is $27. So we can buy the product if we want. So I'm going to close this. The next step is about finding the content where you're going to be incorporating this specific offer, and then we're going to be promoting it. And for that, you're going to go back to Google or Bing, and you're going to Google for PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. And this is basically content that somebody else created, and we're buying not only the content, the access to the content, but we're also buying the rights so that we can promote it without having any issues. We can promote it, we can incorporate it into our products, we can do anything that we want, right? So if you Google for this, you're going to see a lot of results. All of these are very, very good sites, especially PLR.me, PLR database. These are all proven and reliable sites. This is a site that I use from time to time. It's by QualityPLR. We're going to open it up and we're going to take a look at what we can do over here, right? Now, if you go here, you have your account, you have PLR store, you have niche bundles. If you go into niche bundle, you can find lots and lots of different content here, right? So take a look at this. You have all of this type of content. You have your 4-week fitness plan. You have the weight loss. You have self-care, etc., etc. And what we want is something related to fitness. And even better if it's related to a diet, right? Because we are promoting something related to health and fitness, but also to a diet, right? Maybe foods that are very, very healthy and foods that don't spike your blood sugar too much, right? So if we go here, right, we have PLR products. We have free PLR, right? You can go to free PLR. If you create a free account, you're going to have access to all of this free content. They also have free health PLR. They have free article packs, ebooks, list building reports. All of that is free. And so if you're really, really, strapped for cash, you don't have any money to spend, you can go the free route. But a lot of these products are like only $5, right? So if I type diet or something, or I type fitness, right? These products, these article packs and PDFs and so forth and so on are going to be like $5, right? They're going to be almost nothing, right? So if I type health, in here, and let's open it up. And so if I go into popular, I have a lot of products here, right? So if let's say I search for health, here is another, there was a health offer. Okay, so here we have health PLR. I'm gonna click on health PLR and we have 37 bucks. This is a full funnel. This is a full course. This is immune booster PLR lead magnet, only 5 bucks. 5 bucks vitamin D deficiency. So you can take any of these contents, keto truth, having to do with diet. So here we have diet PLR. You can even go to diabetes PLR. Lots and lots of things that you can do. And it's really up to you what kind of content you want to promote. It really is up to you. You don't have to promote the same content that I'm promoting. And so here I am in the diet PLR section. And all of these products are going to be perfect for what we're trying to do. Keto Truth, top immune boosters, top juicing recipes, top 10 meat substitutes, top nutrition tips, etc., etc. All of these products are going to be absolutely perfect. So you can go and buy this product for like 5 bucks. If you're really, really strapped for cash, it's up to you. You can get free content. And so here I am. I got this content. It's $0. Top 10 foods that make you feel fuller, longer, free PLR report, right? I already downloaded it and I already unzipped it. This is what the content looks like. I got 3 files, a docx, DOCX file, which is Google Docs, or Word, the new version of Word, and a PDF. So if we preview the PDF, this is what the content looks like. And so the next step is you want to go to Google Docs and you want to create a brand new document here. And you're going to call this something like Smart Foods, whatever you want to call it. You want to take one of these doc files, I recommend DOCX, and you want to drag and drop it into your Google Drive. That way it uploads it and we can go ahead and edit it. So it uploaded, I can go ahead and open it in Google Docs now and I can take a look at this document and make the necessary changes. So here's the document. I can go into tools, I can look at word count. It has 1,600 words, so this is pretty good, right? So it's a very, very nice document. And what you want to do is you want to go after each point. You want to do something like this. Click here to learn more, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to select that. You can even center it if you want. You're going to press Command K or Control K. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Digistore. You're going to go back to where you got the link. You're going to click on here. You're going to copy the link. You're going to go here, Control K, and you're going to paste it here. You're going to apply it. And you're going to do that wherever you want. Other thing that you can do is you can go in here, Insert. You can do Insert Image, search the web. You can do that, and you can say Buy Now. And now you can use a button, right? So you can click that, and now you have a button. You can rearrange it. You can do whatever you want. Here's the button. Here's another button, right? You can make it smaller. You can make it on a new line, something like this. You can also center it. Okay, now it's centered. And you can do the same thing. Click here to learn more. You can copy that. Control K, paste the link, and now you have that. And now what you can do is you can copy all of that, and you can go maybe to another section right here. You can say, click here to learn more. This could be learn more. It's really up to you. You can do something like this, and put that in there. Keep doing that. Go in here. And obviously, you can customize it. I'm just giving you an example. You can customize it. You can leave it as is. Now, once you're done with this document, what you're going to do is you're going to go File, Download as a PDF. You're going to save this whole document as a PDF. I just downloaded. It downloaded into my computer as a PDF. Now I have this file. The next step you want to do is you want to go to a site called slideshare.net, okay? Discover, learn, share what you know and love through presentations, infographics, documents, and more. Today's type SlideShares, right? You're going to hit upload here. You're going to drag and drop it here. Okay, first you have to sign up with your account. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account. Right now that I'm signed in with my account, I can go ahead and re-upload. And now I have to add my metadata. I have to give it a title, a description. Here's what you're going to do. This is very, very important that you do it correctly. You need to use these keywords that we started the video with, right? These are very, very important keywords. So we're going to go back and we're going to say something, top 10 lower your blood sugar. Top 10 healthy foods that help you lose weight. Something like this. Here you can have a description. I highly recommend having a description. You can just Google this term. You can just enter this into Google and see what kind of other articles are there. So we're going to do something like this. In this article, you will learn the top 10 healthy foods that will help you lose weight and keep it off. Something like this, right? Discoverability score, we have it here. You want it to be obviously full. We're going to say something else. Follow this list. And so what I did is I created a more comprehensive description here, a more comprehensive explanation of what the article is about. We're going to choose a category. The category is going to be health and medicine. Okay, tags are going to be, as you guess, blood, sugar, lose weight, fitness, stay healthy, how to lose weight, something like this. And now we have a full reliability score. I'm going to say I'm not a robot. And now it's uploading it, right? All we have to do is wait. And now it tells us you currently have this upload set to public. This means that it will be indexed by search engines and viewable by anyone on the web. And that's exactly what we want. We want Google to index us so that it's discoverable, so that people download it and go to our offer. So we're going to hit publish. And now the article is published. They can download it and it's all clickable. The links inside the document are fully clickable. So once they download it, if they click download, this is what's going to happen. Open it up. And now if I go in here, all of these are links. So I can actually click on this link and it's going to open up in the browser, right? It's going to open up this offer and it's all there for me. It's all working perfectly. And like I said in the beginning, you can use this method to promote just about any offer as long as you follow the steps correctly. All right, guys? So that is the method I have for you guys for today. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely smash the like button. It really, really helps. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. And check out the video you see on your screen right now to learn even more ways of making money online.